Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's in iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch wheels. Also certified pre-owned. Black ambitext interior with a dark gray linden wood trim. Ambient lighting. Sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Touchpad, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera, navigation. Also comes equipped with MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz User Experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes."
How can I help?
Change ambient light to red.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it as a smart device. Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This GLE has 27,520 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.